Hi, I'm Randall Heyman, a mathematics academic. Welcome to my Corona Help playlists, where I do quick turnaround videos to help educators and students. If you'd like me to make a video for you at either primary school, secondary school, or university level, then comment me below any of my videos or drop me an email at coronahelpmathematics@gmail.com. So I got this email about an hour ago, actually not an email, a comment below my video. This is, the video is, which one? Euler-totient function. Euler-totient function made easy. And this is from someone who goes by the name of Be the Best. I suppose he's concerned, or she's concerned, that to be the best in this game, you have to know about GCD and coprimes. So I'm not sure exactly the problem here. The first thing I want to, there's two things that he or she may be interested in. The first is that when we say coprime, whoops. In fact, let me put an example. Well, let's say A and B are coprime if the GCD of AB is equal to 1. Sometimes you'll even hear, sometimes A is, you'll hear this sort of, A is prime to B. So that's the lingo. Now the second thing is that the Euler-totient function, so the Euler-totient function, it's an arithmetic function because we end up with a natural number. Well, an integer, I suppose. Anyway, it's the, well, there's different ways you can explain it. The number of, so the number of integers between 1 and n inclusive, such that, oh, the numbers are, sorry. Let's put it this, well, what's going on here? Okay, that's better. Number of integers that are coprime. Coprime to n. The other way that we can put it is we can take the set of all x between 1 and n such that the GCD of x and n is equal to 1. So there's a case where you can see that the Euler-totient function can be defined using this word coprime, or it can be defined using the GCD command. Now, the only other thing that I'll just say that might be relevant here to be the best is third point. This Euler-totient function does not tell you which integers are coprime to n. So let me just rub that out. That was from Esther's inquiry about, I think it was, about something else. Q does not tell you which integers are coprime to n. Yes, so for example, if you said, what's Q 1 million? Well, I could work that out. If you have a look at that video, Euler-Totient function made easy, I go through different methods to work it out. There's a formula you can use. There's a lot of different ways of working it out. So equals whatever that equals. Well, that's sort of reasonably easy. Just put there easy, depends on what level of mathematics you are at, but that's not too bad. But list all x with 1 is less than x is less than 1 million, such that the GCD of x and 1 million is equal to 1. Well, that's a bit harder. That's harder. Partly because you've actually got to list a lot of numbers. Well, up here, we've just got one number. Here, you're actually going to have to list a lot of numbers. But the other thing is that depending on what this number is, it can be hard to actually, to do that. Just the sort of the standard easy way to do it is that you'd need to factor the million, this number here, the n, into its prime factors, and then you could work through and work out which numbers have a GCD with 1 million of equal to 1. So I hope that's helped be the best. And if you've got any more questions on the Euler-Totient function, by all means, drop me a comment or email me. And the same for anything in mathematics. I'm happy to help if I think I can help.